Shrinjay, a student of my analytics school who got placed in his dream company, and Rohan, his friend struggling to find a job. Shrinjay. What happened? Why do you seem so low? I am just tired of my life, tired finding a job. I just feel like giving up now. Rohan. You won't believe the journey I've been on since joining my analytics school. It's been nothing short of life-changing. Shrinjay. That's incredible to hear. I've been feeling a bit lost lately, struggling to find my footing in the industry. I totally get it, Rohan. But let me tell you, the support and opportunities at my analytics school are beyond anything I could have imagined. The key benefits are one-to-one mentorship, real-world projects, comprehensive tech training, soft skills and leadership training, industry-centric internships, resume building support, off-campus opportunities, capstone projects and mock interviews for real-world preparation. I'm genuinely surprised. I had no idea my analytics school offered such a comprehensive package. I'm definitely going to check it out. You won't regret it, Rohan. It's time to take charge of your career and unlock your full potential. Trust me, my analytics school is the game changer you've been looking for.